Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add chart title in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for adding chart title, so firstly click the chart. So after clicking the chart, you can see plus option, so just click on it, and here you can see the options of chart title, so click on it. So after that you can see chart title is added. So after this you can change the name of chart title, so you can give any name according to you. So after giving the name, click any side of the chart, so you can see the name is changed. So if you want to change the color, so just click on the chart title, then press right side of mouse. So after click on the right side of mouse, you can see a chart style. So here you can see chart style, you can change the chart style. So after changing, you can see fill options. So here you can change the color of chart title. So guys, in this way you can change the chart title. So if you want to change the outline, so you can also change the outline. So guys, in this way you can add chart title or you can change the chart title in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.